Outstanding design defines the 2007 Audi A4. This four-door, five-passenger wagon still has less than 45,000 miles. Under the hood, you'll find a four-cylinder engine with more than 200 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. All-wheel drive provides for safe passage, regardless of road or weather conditions. All of the premium features expected of an Audi are offered, including front and rear reading lights, a leather steering wheel, a roof rack, and more. Everything is where it ought to be, from the dashboard controls to the door locks and window controls. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Premium sound drives 10 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Audi also prioritized safety and security by including front side impact airbags, traction control, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.